Greetings! In this video tutorial, we're going to cover how to add a trend line in Excel. This element is invaluable when you need to make a clear and neat visual representation of the data trend. Let's start. Hi, and welcome to Excel Made Easy. Together, we're here to make sure you'll be able to use Excel in a quick and easy way thanks to our digestible video tutorials. To use the trend line function in Excel, you'll need to organize data into a chart first. For more information on how to make a bar chart or for some useful advice on making graphs, watch more video tutorials by our team. You can find the links in the description below. Now, we're going to go through how you can add a trend line into a chart. This video tutorial also shows how you can format the trend line or how to remove it from the chart completely, in case you don't need it anymore. We'll go through each step now, starting with the first one. To add a trend line to this bar chart, click on the graph. Then click on this green plus sign icon located on the right-hand side, which opens a list of options. Here you can select or deselect various chart elements. We want to display a trend line, so hover over trend line and click on the arrow that appears next to the text. Choose the trend line type you need, for example, linear, exponential, or any other type. In this case, we'll go for the first one, so click on linear. Once it's been selected, we can have a look at how we could format the trend line and change it depending on what we need. If you want to format the trend line, click on the line with the right mouse button. Select Format Trend Line. On the right-hand side, you'll see a task pane with more options. Here we can take a moment to go through the basic ones. In the section Trend Line Options, you can change the type of the trend line. If you need to change the color of the line, you can go to the section Fill and Line. Here you can set the desired color along with transparency, the width, or other parameters. Let's close the task pane now and let's have a look at the last point of the tutorial. How to remove the trend line from the chart completely. Simply click on the chart, then the green plus sign icon, and the options which you're already familiar with appear. Simply unselect trend line, and that's it. The trend line has been removed from the chart. Thank you for watching. Be sure to click the like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.